Sorry guys, looks like we're gonna have to do this in part 2. Well, as I was telling you, this is what I packed for my trip. My husband says I packed too much. Now he's really gonna say I packed too much because it's so much that I couldn't do it in one video. Alright, I've got in this bag, this is our toiletry rag, I've got razor. I've got my husband's shaving cream, so that will get him razored and shaving cream. Like I said, we have to pack a certain kind of soap because my husband has allergies and he can't just use anything. I got 1, 2 types of hair bands and 2 types of snap barrettes. I got chapped lip balm that also has sunscreen in it. I got me a hairbrush so I don't have to worry about packing mine and waiting till last minute to pack and worrying about if I forgot it. I got a manicure set in case anything comes up and we break fingernails or anything, get something in a quick, we don't have to sit there and suffer with it. Now that's for that part. In this part, I got our Crest 3D White toothpaste. And I went to the Dollar Tree and found 2 toothbrushes, medium strength, which is awesome because most of the time Dollar Tree all you find is small, soft strength. So I got this one so that we can brush our teeth and, like I said, not have to worry about packing our toothbrushes last minute and did we remember to pack them, and because once I'm ready to go, I just want everything ready to go. On this side, I got these smaller on the travel end. They're not exactly travel size. They're a little bigger than a travel size, but we're going on a 7-day cruise, and I have very long hair, so I want to make sure I had plenty. I got the shampoo, the conditioner, and I've got some protections, some conditioning frizzy curl protection because my hair, when I get near water, is like poof, it just blows up. I got me some makeup removing wipes. I've got a little clip so on formal nights I can dress my hair back a little bit different. I've got the Degree Peach Burst, the deodorant spray. I got me some shaving cream, and I've got me a Zest one that's also for women that smells amazing. It's got a tropical smell to it. I've got a few more barrettes, a carabiner in case I need to attach something to anything, another fingernail file, and I found one of my others, so I just threw it in there of the clothespins. And then I've got this one that's also the 6-blade razor. And that is what I got for my cruise toiletries. So what do you guys think? Of course, I still got to pack our clothes for the hotel stay, what we're going to wear on the cruise ship. But do you think I packed too much? Let me know in the comments below.